Number 5. JSAUX8K Ultra High Speed Braided 2.1 HDMI Cable. Why you should buy these products? Number 1. It is 2.1 8K braided HDMI cable. Resolution and refresh rate up to 8K 60Hz, 4K 120Hz. Number 2. Transmission speed up to 48 Gbps bandwidth. Number 3. Compatible devices are PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X, 1, 360, LG Samsung Sony QLED TV, laptop, TiVo, Vizio, DVD player, Blu-ray player, projector and more. Number 4. The aluminum shell, nylon braided cover and gold-plated connectors will ensure superior durability under heavy uses and multiple plugging and unplugging. Number 5. Designed with tinned copper and triple layer shielding, the 8K HDMI cable can shamelessly transfer high quality video and audio signals. Number 6. Size of cable, the 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet and 15 feet. More details, please click the video description links. Number 4. Cablecreation 8K certified Ultra 2.1 HDMI cable. Why you should buy these products? Number 1. It is a 8K high performance and stylish 2.1 HDMI cable. Number 2. Supports higher video resolution and refresh rates including 8K 60Hz, 4K 120Hz and video resolution 1080 pixels. Number 3. Transfer rate up to 48 Gbps of Cablecreation 2.1 8K HDMI cable. Number 4. Compatible devices are QLED TV, Roku, Sony 8K UHD TV, laptop, PC, projector, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and more. Number 5. 24K gold-plated full metal connector is corrosion resistant. Durable aluminum house casing and triple shielding structure provide your lag-free and uninterrupted viewing experience. Number 6. Flexible braided jacket and stylish blue aluminum shell. Number 7. Dynamic HDR and 12-bit color processing technology. Number 8. Size of this cable 3.3 feet, 6 feet and 10 feet. More details, please click the video description links. Number 3. Monoprice 8K certified ultra high speed 2.1 HDMI cable. Why you should buy these products? Number 1. This is 8K ultra high speed 2.1 HDMI cable. Number 2. Speed of this product 48 Gbps. Number 3. Uncompressed HDMI resolution up to 8K 60Hz including 3D and multi-view video. Number 4. Monoprice 2.1 8K HDMI cable. It supports Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One X and PlayStation 4 Pro consoles. Number 5. Supports SSCD, DVD audio, DTS HD master audio, Dolby and other high definition audio standards. Number 6. Cinema aspect ratio 21:9. Number 7. Supports game mode variable refresh rate. Number 8. CL2 in all fire safety rating. Number 9. Size of this cable 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet and 15 feet. More details, please click the video description links. Number 2. Monoprice 8K 2.1 braided HDMI cable. Why you should buy these products? Number 1. Monoprice braided is certified ultra high speed 8K 2.1 HDMI cable. Number 2. It is support uncompressed video resolution up to 8K 60Hz and 4K 120Hz including 3D and multi-view video. Number 3. Speed of this product 48 Gbps. Number 4. Compatible device with Sony PlayStation 5, PlayStation 5 Digital Edition, Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S. Number 5. It is durable braided cable. Number 6. Monoprice 8K 2.1 Braided is rugged design and rigid quality control standard deliver high quality products at fair prices. Number 7. Supports SACD, DVD audio, DTS HD master audio, Dolby and other high definition audio standards. Number 8. CL2 in wall fire safety rating. Number 9. Supports dynamic HDR, HDMI Ethernet. Number 10. Size of this cable 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet, 20 feet and 25 feet. More details, please click the video description links. Number 1. Monster 8K 2.1 HDMI cable. Why you should buy these products? Number 1. This product is premium 8K 2.1 HDMI cable. Number 2. Speed of 48 Gbps and 60 Hz 120 Hz refresh rate for zero blur and minimal signal loss. Number 3. 24K gold plated cables and 24K gold contact and triple layer shielding for added security and protection. Number 4. This durable cable delivers vivid, crisp 1080 pixel video and lossless digital audio. Number 5. Ultra flexible Duraplex protective jacket for easy routing around your devices. Number 6. Exclusive V-grip connectors that provide reliable, superior and steady connection. Number 7. Compatible devices for Apple TV, Smart TV, Roku, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, laptop, monitor, PC and more. Number 8. Cable size of 4 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet and 12 feet. More details, please click the video description links.